I got my iPhone 13. Hi guys, it's me again, Anka, and today I am going to Apple Store. It's because we are getting the new iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm just so excited. So I can use it for my vlogging, taking video, and photos.
Oh yeah? Okay. Yeah, yeah.
So right now guys, I have to stop talking to sales consultant para makuha niya ano yung best iPhone that we wanna get. So for me, I want the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I always love big one. So what are you getting, Han? So what are you getting?
iPhone 13.
So you want the bigger one or
No, no.
okay.
Just the small one.
So guys, change ko ng bagong phone today kasi right now I am still okay with my iPhone 12. I'm still happy. Maybe next year ako naman yung kukuha. So we are here inside of the Apple Store. So ayun, as they said, I think it's sold out. Is it sold out now?
Yeah, sold out.
So how can we get it today?
They will share it to the home. To our home.
Okay. So you can still wait as long as you can get the new iPhone 13. But you know guys, I am really excited because for sure I'm gonna borrow it to my husband so I can still use that for my vlog. So because I heard that some of the features there are really good, especially in taking photos and taking video. So I guess, yeah, it's really time for my husband to get a new one. Guys, ikot muna ako. And then, I am thinking to get a AirPod for myself. Kasi, I have an AirPod, so hindi siya wireless. So, I wanna get the new one also. Handsome naman ang husband. Why not? So ayan guys, I am just disappointed. Why? Today. Naghihintay ako instead going to my favorite shop.
Yeah.
Yep. So ayan, wait lang muna kami para makuha niya yung iPhone 13. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my friends in YouTube. We actually using a iPhone. What? iPhone, what's this?
10.
10. So, ilang years na yan?
Almost 4 years na. 4 years.
So guys, yeah, definitely it's time for him to get a new phone. So, ako yung pinapakuha niya pero I don't need yet. Kaya siya na muna. So, I can borrow it pag gusto kong mag-vlog and also taking some photo. Kasi maganda yung features daw ngayon ng iPhone 13. Maganda yung resolution and maganda yung review ng iPhone 13. Is it Pro Max? Kunin mo yung Pro Max? No.
Hindi. Yung Max.
Which one?
The Pro lang.
Ah, the Pro.
Kasi ito Pro, ano rin ito eh.
It's also Pro. So, ayun guys. We are still waiting here. So guys, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, and this is the iPhone 13 Pro. And here's the iPhone 13. And the smallest one is the iPhone 13 mini. So they launched a 4 kind of iPhone 13 this year. So I guess guys, they have this 4 different color for iPhone Pro Max and also an iPhone 13 Pro. So they have this black color or silver, and they have gold, the white silver, and also the blue one. So for me, I really love the gold color. It's kind of different. So I told my husband just to get the gold color for a change. And it looks so classy.
Parang mas gusto ko yung bluehan.
Okay.
Yung black.
Depends on you what color you want. So, ayun guys, i-ship na lang yung order ng iPhone, right, Han?
Yeah.
So, his iPhone will be just shipped on December, first week of December. So, I'm planning to do unboxing of my husband iPhone 13. So, watch out because i-vlog ko yun and I'm going to let you see yung iPhone 13 niya. And again, thank you so much guys for watching my video, our video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share na rin sa channel. So this is Monica. Bye! Guys, finally we got our new yung this iPhone 13 very ano siya ngayon, sold out talaga. Maraming kumuha ng iPhone 13 kasi maganda yung reviews and also definitely there's a new features on that.
Sabi it has the
the most powerful camera daw sa lahat ng iPhone, has the most powerful camera that you can let's see kung totoo yun na sinasabi, even if you're at night.
Yeah, it's night mode.
Night video at maganda ang kuha. So, subukan natin.
Okay.
Malaman namin. Okay, anyway.
I guess maybe on my next vlog, I'm going to use that iPhone lang has ko. So, hihiramin ko lang siya. So,
ang gamit ko sa iyo eh.
So, hihiramin ko lang siya, guys, para matry natin at makita na, ma-prove natin kung maganda talaga yung features ng iPhone 13 na nilabas ng Apple. As you all know, guys, I am a Apple lover. I can say I am a fan of Apple. So, yung Apple brand lang talaga yung gustong-gusto ko sa mga technologies. Like iPhone, just like laptop. So, ayun, I don't know. Pero may kanya-kanya naman tayong choices at kung anong gustong brand. So, sa iPhone kasi medyo hiyang ako gamitin. So, madali lang para sa akin. And you too, right, Ann?
Yeah.
So, that's it for today, guys. And
Bubusisiin muna namin and then we will see. We will give you reviews on
maybe,
whether okay
we
siya.
can do that also.
Bubusisiin muna namin.
Okay, so, oh, by the way, there's also a 3 camera, right? So, I don't know what's the, yeah, this is 3. And I don't know kung paano gamitin to or, anyway. So, yeah, that's it. And again, thank you so much for watching my video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And again, this is me, Joseph. And okay, see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.